I'm not at home right now, but I am trying to accomplish some things. So I've been working on the 05 a little bit while I'm over here. But let me show you what I ran into this morning. So I was going to try to see what I could do about these headlights. So I pulled them out. For anyone who needs to know, these newer model headlights are even easier to remove than the older ones. All you do is take this bolt out of this, pull this up, and it releases the whole headlight, just comes right out. But see, this is the header panel that holds the headlights. So then I got over to this side and I found this. The whole corner busted off. I did remove it though. I'll show you what I'm doing with that. Okay, so I've got the other piece of it in here. And what I did was I just drilled holes on both sides. Focus camera, seriously. All right, I just drilled holes on both sides of the brake, used a zip tie to hold them together, drilled some extra holes, and put JB weld in there. That way it can seep through the holes and give it more to hang on to. So I've got that set up, just drying. But the point of this was to get to these. Now, I actually wiped this one down the other day, although you can't tell, with a headlight restorer type polish. But if you look at this hazier part here, you can feel this texture. It's actually very, very rough and won't come off. So what I'm about to do is try a little more invasive product. I'm going to try this Rust-Oleum heavy duty headlight restoration kit. We're going to see if it can maybe save these awful headlights. The way this kit works, let me show you what I've been doing. You've got a couple different grits of sandpaper on these discs. You start with 800 grit, you go to 1500 grit, then you have this pad that's 2000 grit. And after the first couple rounds, I was really losing hope that this was going to turn out well. And if you look at the light, it's still really hazy, but it is starting to feel a lot better. And I've still got a couple phases to go. So let's just see what happens. After multiple steps, some of them I did a few times, the lens is clearer for sure, but it definitely does not look good. But let's remember, we started out with this. So does it look better? Absolutely. Does it still look pretty freaking bad? Absolutely. So I think that's about as far as this headlight restorer is going to take us. Which is not great because it's not as far as I wanted to be. So I think it's time we get a little more creative and see if I can find another way to doctor these up before I have to order headlights. And I have clear coated it, which still looks kind of hazy, but at least got some of that pattern out. But I think this gets me slightly closer, which is good because I'm running out of ideas.